Hey there! If you want to learn how to write, compose, and record an entire song in just minutes, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll be using Suno AI, an incredible free tool that makes the process super simple. First, go to suno.ai in your browser. This will bring you to their website, which has some amazing song examples that were created with Suno. The magic happens in their Discord server, so you'll need to download and install Discord if you don't have it already. It's 100% free. Just click on the Discord link here, and then click on Join to join their Discord channel. Great! Now that you've joined the Suno Discord server, you're ready to start using the AI Music Composer. First, agree to the server rules and guidelines. Then, head over to the How to Chirp channel. This channel provides a simple tutorial for interacting with Suno. Go ahead and click on the How to Chirp channel now, just like I'm doing. Here, you'll find step-by-step instructions for chatting with the Suno bot and generating songs. The tutorial walks you through how to format song prompts for Suno. You'll learn how to get the most out of it. From here you now need to go to one of the Chirp Alpha channels. I'm choosing channel number 3 here, so click on it. Now scroll to the bottom, and you can see examples of what others have generated for inspiration. But do keep in mind this is a public channel, so some lyrics may be offensive to certain audiences. So I have blurred it out just in case. To generate your own song, simply type /chirp into the text box at the bottom of the channel and press enter twice on your keyboard. It then brings you to this screen. Here you have two choices. Either input your own lyrics or ask the AI to generate them for you. In this example, I'm going to have the AI generate lyrics, so I need to give it a prompt so it knows what kind of song I want. The prompt I've chosen is Billy's AI YouTube channel theme song, so let's see what the AI comes up with based on that. After typing my prompt, I'll hit submit and Suno's AI will get to work creating original lyrics. Depending on the prompt, the lyrics may need some tweaking, but the AI gives you a great starting point that you can build on. You can see the lyrics here. Suno will then generate a full musical composition to match your lyrics. In just minutes, you'll have a personalized, AI-generated song ready to use on your YouTube channel or anywhere else.
Billy's AI YouTube channel theme song. Get you playing, thinking all day long. With clever jokes and tech stuff galore. You'll hit subscribe and never get bored. Billy's AI YouTube channel theme song. Get you playing, thinking all day long. With clever jokes and tech stuff galore. You'll hit subscribe and never get bored.
And there we have it, a brand new artificial intelligence generated song created just for my YouTube channel. What do you think of the song Suno came up with based on my YouTube channel theme prompt? I think it turned out great. The lyrics and melody really capture the vibe I was going for. Let me know your thoughts on my new Suno-powered theme song in the comments below. Do you think it's a keeper? I hope this video gave you a good overview of how you can use Suno artificial intelligence to easily create custom music and lyrics for your projects too. The possibilities are endless with this tool. I'm excited to continue experimenting with different genres, themes, and vibes. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Your support allows me to continue making content about how artificial intelligence can enhance creativity. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any other questions about Suno or artificial intelligence music generation. I'm happy to create more tutorials showcasing this game-changing technology.
Billy's AI YouTube channel theme song. Get you playing, thinking all day long. With clever jokes and tech stuff galore. You'll hit subscribe and never get bored. Billy's AI YouTube channel theme song. Get you playing, thinking all day long. With clever jokes and tech stuff galore. You'll hit subscribe and never get bored.